Hello everyone, welcome back. About a week ago, I was fascinated whilst reading about this new technology called liquid trees. Thought it might be interesting for us to discuss a little about it. The liquid trees essentially uses microalgal to treat pollutants in air or in water bodies. The biology of algae is such that it grows at the interface of water and air, hence it allows pollutants to be processed from either sides of the interface. Now, it's not really a new technology, but more of a new application of a well-known environmental service. What really intrigues me is how the human race at large has created so many problems for itself by creating synthetic materials. You see, in our pursuit of creating a developed world, we have always wanted materials that were longer lasting, flexible yet strengthened, and yet lightweight. And hence, we created plastics, synthetic fabrics, composite materials, and so on. But it seems no one gave a proper thought on how to tackle them at the end of their life cycles. Now that so much of these materials have reached the dump yards and still continues to do so, we don't have a proper game plan in place to tackle the mountains of garbage that we have accumulated. I mean, isn't it funny for a civilization as advanced as ours, which seems to be treating the entire outer space like a play zone, and yet the best we can tackle our waste is aag laga do, nadi mein baha do, and so on. In order to fix this, we have to go back to the bottom of the evolutionary pyramid. We have an entire range of technologies in the name of bioremediation. You see, the grand design of nature is foolproof. No matter the scale of the problem, the inspiration to the solution can always be found in nature. Bioremediation is fundamentally using bacteria or algae to try and break down complex compounds into simpler and easy to deal with molecules. And this is the most effective way till date to treat with complex contaminants and pollutants. Let's see a couple of examples. First one of these being bioaugmentation. Bioaugmentation introduces specially selected microbes into the contaminated environment. These microbes are chosen for their specific abilities to degrade the target contaminant. A successful example of bioaugmentation is utilization of Pseudomonas bacteria to degrade toluene, a common contaminant found in groundwater. Land farming. This technique is an ex situ approach, meaning the contaminated soil is excavated and spread over a prepared land bed. Here, the soil is amended with nutrients and periodically tilled to ensure proper aeration. This creates optimal condition for the indigenous microbes to degrade the contaminants, and so the land becomes fertile. The next one is bioventing. This technique is used to remediate soil and groundwater contaminants with volatile organic compounds, VOCs. Bioventing involves injecting air into the subsurface levels to increase oxygen levels and stimulate the growth of aerobic bacteria that can actually degrade VOCs. The liquid trees technique is just another new feather to the hat of bioremediation techniques. But what I find worth pondering is how we have created our own problems, and when it starts consuming us, we look towards nature to fix it. Almost like a spoiled child who creates his own mess and then expects the parents to step in and clean their mess. So today I'd like to leave you with that thought, and I hope that you can bring all your thoughts into our comment section. Further, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for staying with us this long. My name is Himani, and this video is powered by J2 Solar. See you soon again. Bye-bye.